Okay, so I want to go ahead and show you how you can find some of these descriptive statistics on your TI calculator. This is for the 84, 83, any of those kind of branded calculators. If you have the Nspire, a little different way that we can have to find those, but if you're doing that, just let me know. We can get you some instruction on that. So once you pull up your calculator, the big thing you have to do is you first have to put your data into the calculator. So the way we're going to do that is we are always going to put stat edit. Stat edit is always going to take me to my data entry point. So if I hit stat edit, this is where I can put all my data in. So what you see here is I have some kind of data set from another old data set. So there's something already in my calculator. If I want to clear it, what I'll do is I'll just hit the up arrow on my data set. So I'll just push up and it takes me to L1, and then I can hit clear, enter on my calculator. I should clear that list. So again, I pushed up to L1, I pushed clear, and then I pressed enter. Okay. So now I want to go ahead and put some data in so I can figure it out. So what I'm going to do is the one we did for the house painting, I'm going to put that in there because we can check our standard deviation and everything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start typing data into this set. So that data point was 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So I have all 6 data points in my calculator. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I want to find the mean, median, standard deviation. But the good news is I can find them all in one step. Once I have the data in, and that's the most important thing, I'm going to quit out. So second and the button next to it, which is the second mode button, which is the quit button. And then I'm going to hit stat. I'm going to go over to calc, and I'm going to use what's called one variable statistics. One variable statistics is going to basically find all those descriptive statistics for the data set. So if I do one variable statistics, it says, what list is your data in? Now it will default to list 1, and I put my data in list 1, but if you put it in other lists, and when I mean other lists, if I go back to stat edit, you can see how there's a list 1 and a list 2 and a list 3. Mine's in list 1. But if you want another list, you can see in light blue down here is how you would change it. So I hit like second and number 6, it would change it to list 6. I don't want to do that because I have nothing in list 6, so I want to keep it as list 1. Frequency list you can leave blank for now, and then you can hit calculate. I do want to mention that if you don't have this little thing, some people will do one variable statistics and it will just pop that up in the screen. That is fine. You'll just type list 1 after it. So I'll show. So if I hit enter, I get this. Let me show you what some of the other calculators will do. So don't worry about this. I'm going to change it to I'm going to turn some things off and on. Don't worry about that. So now if I do the stat and the calc and the one variable statistics, well, I didn't turn it off. Well, there is a way to turn it off, and if it happens, you just get the one variable stats up and you put list 1 after that. So it doesn't appear I can turn it off on this calculator, but if that happens to you, obviously just let me know. So you just hit enter and it gives you all the good stuff. Here's our sample mean of 35. Some other cool things right here. There's the standard deviation. This is the one we took all that time to calculate, but it's still 18.7, just like we said. We have n, which is the number of data points. That's 6. We have Q1, which we'll talk about in the second part of the notes. We have the median, which is also 35. Doesn't have to be the same as the mean, but it is in this case. The maximum value down here is 60. So you can see how we have a lot of those values that we took all that time to calculate right in our calculator. So if you have a handheld calculator, really, really handy to make some of these statistics. If you have questions on your specific calculator, it doesn't work for you, obviously let me know and we'll get that straightened out.